If the price of the Leads for Local Accelerator course has kept you from instantly starting or growing your business with social media,
hold it! One more step and we're walking!
I've made a brand new mini course condensing our extensive 300 plus videos into a jam-packed starter course. In this 3-hour starter course, you'll learn how to market your business using social media, how to perfect your snapshot to instantly impress your target customers, how to run Facebook and Google ads to get leads in just a few hours, the basics to building your website and dialing in your SEO, automate tasks with the CRM software, step-by-step cookie-cutter process for getting repeat customers every single month. Master how to professionally brand your business with color-graded photo and video content, and also my 10 secrets to 10x your business with just 9 pictures. And on top of all the jam-packed education, I'm also throwing in my custom Facebook and Google ad templates to instantly transform your ad results overnight, my formula for how to rank #1 on Google, my social media cheat sheet to show you what content to upload on social media, my website builder shortcut using an AI tool to instantly grow your website, also my Leads for Local SEO blueprint. Coupled with these bonus assets, if applied, can help you instantly 10x your business profit, start becoming a name brand, and start landing higher paying clients, turn a love for your work into an extra income or a full-time business. Students that have taken this course have claimed they have learned more in a whole semester at trade school or at their university. But no, we're not going to charge you thousands of dollars like college would. You can join today for just $27. So click down below, get signed up, get instant access to everything, apply what you learn, and see immediate improvements in your business overnight or your money back. We'll see you on the inside.